around out here to Rafiki's. Maybe you do park it here. And do the animation experience.
Vigilen a los niños. Gracias.
We can make it.
You might have to come around this way. We might have to show this.
Go ahead. Thank you.
Alright! Welcome to the Animation Experience! My name is Brian, and today we are going to be drawing Dot, Princess Dot, the overlooked Pixar princess from A Bug's Life, which of course was our second Pixar film, came out in 1998. Came out in 1998. We're going to give her something that ants, just across the globe, are best known for. It's probably the one thing you think of when you think of ants. And that's eyelids with eyelashes. No, not really. What we did is, because ants have compound eyes, which are big bulbs made up of thousands of eyes, and they have 6 simple eyes in the middle of their eyes, which regulate light down to where we had a blue guideline, or about there, and then bring this line straight down. We skip over this blue guideline, over this one, and do the same thing for about just a little bit, and come down right in the middle of her head. There. And right there. Now we've got this letter C sitting out here. This is going to be the end of the antenna. I'm going to trace over that. I'm going to curve up and drawing. We have 9 classes, and this is not the Dot experience.
You did good.
So we draw other characters, whether it's Donald or Valentino or TikTok Croc or Flick or Dan or Slam.
This is mine. Didn't really do well, but I like it. I think it looks good.
Looks pretty good.